All right, we back with another one. Another mystery box ready to get opened. So let's go ahead and start it. All right. Back with another one. Back with another mystery box. Let's see what's in here. All right, let's start off with this bad boy right here. Oh yeah, this bad boy is clean. I love the Chevy truck though. I love the Chevy truck. I love this Chevy truck. Ooh. You can't tell me this one ain't tight. Let me know if y'all know who drove this one. Number 75. Yeah, I like this one. That's badass. I like how it's sitting low too. Perfect. Nice rubber tires on there. Yeah. It would be nice if the hood opened. You know what I'm saying? It would be nice. Look how it sits though. Oh yeah. I wonder what year this is though. This one looks old. Doesn't say. It just says Fed Service 1500 right there. Any more markings? Nothing. Huh. It's badass though. Alright, let's see what else we got up in here. What we got up in here? Oh yeah. Nice little panel truck. What is this, a Ford or something? I don't know. It's nice though. Got milk. I just noticed that it says that though. Yeah, I like that one. Was this built in '98? What year was it? Should say right here, 97, 98. Yep, it's a nice one. All right, let's see what else we got up in here. Oh yeah, little Chevy step side. I like this one. Little Chevy step side is clean. What year is this one? 83. Yeah, 1983. I like it. it's got the little wood bed back there. That's kind of tight. I don't know if you can see that. That's clean. I like that. Oh shoot. Another one. We're back with another one. This one, the AC Delco. AC Delco. Yeah. That's tight right here. Chevy. Got a few little nicks on it. I like it though. It shows that patina. That patina. If it's too perfect, it ain't right. Gotta show a little wear and tear. This one got rubber wheels on it. I guess they all do. The last video I was like, they didn't. The other ones didn't have rubber wheels except for one, but they all did though. I had to check it again, but yeah, this hood doesn't open like the other one did. But yeah, this one's clean though. I like this one. Nice little Chevy Silverado. So see that? Yeah, AC Delco. I like that. Yeah, another one. Oh. I don't know if I said it, but let me know if you know who was the driver on this one. Number 52, the AC Delco Chevy truck. Alright, back with another one. Number 24. Who was the driver on this one right here? Number 24, the G-Mac. I didn't know they had a little stick in there with the one seater. The Chevy truck. Rubber tires. Badass right here. You know what, I always wanted to take it apart and respray it like a solid color. And put my own little decals on it. Die Hard. Yeah. Let me know who's the driver on this one. See if this one has a date. Nope. No date on this one. You can tell it's old though because the wheels don't turn. The other one, in my last video, one of the newer ones, the wheels did turn. And the hood opened. Alright, that's it for that box. We got another one. We ain't done yet, we got some more. Got some more boxes to open. You know, I like to open them in front of y'all. So let's be careful with this. This one feel like it's full. Don't stick it too far in there. Back another one. Another one. Back with another one. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Ooh, the heartbeat of America. Ooh, look at that IROC right there. You can't tell me that ain't tight right there. Ugh. Real lights in the back. Ugh. What's in the front? Hood opens. I ain't gonna lie, like the M2s, man, it just I don't know, I think they might be a little better than Hot Wheels. I don't know. What y'all think? What y'all think about that? They don't make too many, you know what I'm saying? Like, let's see what they made, 6,050? Only 6,050 of these. You know what I mean? That's low. Hot Wheels, they make a lot of them. What year is this one? What does that say right there? 2022, I think. I think it's 2022 or 2020. I doubt it. I think it's 2022. I don't think M2s haven't been out that long. But yeah, that is badass right there. The hood's open. Probably the trunk opens too. I don't know. Some of them do. But yeah, that's badass right there. They hit it right on the spot with that one. Alright. That's it for that one. Let's see what else we got up here. Ooh, that mongoose. Y'all remember the mongoose bikes? Look at that hood, though. That hood opens. Look at that. That one sitting low to the ground. That's crazy. Look at that. How many they made of these ones? 8,250 of them. A little higher. But this is my first one I ever seen, though. I'll tell you that. I didn't even know they had a mongoose one. This one was in, what's that say? Can't really tell. Let's see. I think it's 2021. But yeah, that's badass. Plus, they come in a case. Let me know what y'all think. You think M2s are better than the Hot Wheels? I think M2 might take over, man. I ain't gonna lie. That is bad. Look at that with the red seats in it. That's badass. Alright, let's see. What we got here? Oh shit, this is a Pepsi Cola. Pepsi Cola. Oh yeah, look at that. Let me know who's the driver of this one. Number 24. Monte Carlo. There's a lady on YouTube, man. She used this exhaust on her car. I forgot what car it was. I think it was a Mustang, if I'm not mistaken. No, it was a Camaro. 69 Camaro. And she's a race car driver. I follow her on YouTube. I forgot her name though. But yeah, she's from California. She lives in California, should I say. I don't know if she's from California, but she lives in California. But yeah. So let me know who's the driver of this. It's Pepsi. Number 24. Chevy Monte Carlo. That's badass right there. Alright. We got a number 4. A number 4. And let me know who's the driver of this one. This one got a window on it. Must be a little newer, huh? Number 4, Pontiac Grand Prix. Let me know who was the driver of this one. Look at that roll bar with that stick in there. All right. And the last one is the good wrench. The good wrench. Oh yeah, that truck is fat right here. Let me know who's the driver of this one. That's badass. This might be my favorite one. That might be my favorite one right there. Alright, y'all. That's it for this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know which one was your favorite. Was it the M2s? Chevy truck, or was it the IROC M2s? Or was it the NASCARs or the NAS truck? Let me know which one was your favorite. Oh yeah. And I think this one's in the box too. Not for sure. I think so. But make sure you like, subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to follow. So hit that subscribe button. And I'll get back to y'all. Peace.